Welcome to this episode of our YouTube series, where we discuss the significance of innovation workshops at Sakha. Innovation workshops are essential in crafting tailored solutions that meet our clients' needs. They are not just brainstorming sessions, they play a crucial role in our overall process. Innovation workshops are structured sessions aimed at fostering creativity, collaboration, and effective problem solving. These sessions bring together diverse teams to explore fresh ideas and challenge existing assumptions.
Innovation workshops are key to sparking creativity and solving problems effectively. These structured sessions bring together diverse teams to brainstorm new ideas, question assumptions, and develop creative solutions. At Sakha, we rely on these workshops to drive our success. They help us create tailored and effective solutions, and our data shows that they can increase idea generation by up to 50% and improve problem solving efficiency by 35%. By fostering an environment of collaboration and creativity, these workshops ensure we stay ahead of the curve and deliver innovative, high-quality solutions that meet our client needs.
At Sakha, innovation workshops are integral to our approach and help us stay ahead of the curve. The first step in an innovation workshop involves understanding the client's specific needs, challenges, and goals. We gather key stakeholders from both the client's team and our own experts to discuss core issues and objectives. This initial phase is vital for aligning everyone on the problem we aim to address. After establishing a clear understanding, we proceed to ideation and brainstorming sessions. Here, we employ various techniques like mind mapping and Scamper to generate a plethora of ideas. Encouraging open dialogue allows us to explore unconventional thoughts and perspectives freely. Next, we transition to prototyping, where we create low-fidelity mock-ups of proposed solutions. These prototypes help us visualize and quickly test our concepts during the workshop. We gather feedback from clients and stakeholders to validate our ideas and make adjustments as needed. With validated prototypes, we focus on refining and enhancing the solutions through collaborative discussions. The final stage of the workshop involves strategic planning, outlining next steps for development. We establish timelines, resource allocation, and project milestones to ensure smooth execution. Innovation workshops also facilitate building strong partnerships with clients by involving them directly in the process. Our success stories demonstrate how these workshops lead to effective and innovative solutions tailored to client needs. We invite you to reach out to Sakha and discover how our innovation workshops can transform your approach to challenges. By partnering with us, you'll benefit from tailored, high-quality solutions designed to elevate your business and align perfectly with your goals.
If you are looking to transform your technology vision into reality, Sakha is your ideal partner. With our pioneering expertise in cutting-edge technologies like AI, big data, blockchain, and the metaverse, we stay ahead of trends to ensure your solutions are innovative and future-proof. Our tailored approach means we craft solutions specifically for your unique challenges, while our proven track record in delivering excellence guarantees reliable and high-quality results. We believe in a collaborative partnership, working closely with you at every step to bring your vision to life. Contact Sakha today to leverage our expertise and start turning your ideas into impactful, successful technology solutions.
Innovation workshops are essential not only for enhancing creativity and problem solving, but also for establishing a collaborative culture that drives our success at Sakha. By leveraging diverse perspectives and structured methodologies, we consistently produce tailored solutions that empower our clients and keep us at the forefront of our industry. Thank you for exploring the impact of innovation workshops in our process at Sakha, and stay tuned for more insights.